Today we'll be talking about one of the most interesting and one of the newest sites in the betting industry, that is going to be RajaBet. So today we'll be talking about the RajaBet site or the RajaBet app. So stay tuned in the video. So let's begin the video. So RajaBet is the newest app in the industry, in the betting industry currently, but it offers lots of really aggressive things, like it provides lots of offers, also cashback offers and bonuses on weekends that attract new clientele and also are making a name to themselves in the betting market in India 2025. Also, RajaBet's by name itself, in the name itself actually, that they are royal or some sort of king-like, because when you open their site you will see the two themes are collaborating upon, like the red and the golden colors going hand in hand together and also making it a sleek and elegant site to look upon. Also offers, as I've said, they offer a lot of gifts and cashback offers to their new clients. Also they are making loyal clients by providing them monthly or by giving them an affiliate program as well. The UI is pretty good and takes only a fraction of a second to boot up the site. Also their ticket solution is pretty damn great, as they only take up to 30 to 45 minutes when it comes to solutions of your deposits and withdrawal. That is indeed one of the best things about this site, that is their ticket solution or their customer care service. But don't forget to reach them out on their mail handles and on the live chat. It's all about their site only, not about the deposit and withdrawals. For the withdrawals and deposit you have to reach them out on their email handles only. Like I've said, RajaBet support is great on ticket, but not only that, they offer lots of varieties when it comes to casino games and sport games. In sport games you will get the e-tournaments where you can play or watch the e-tournaments of cricket, volleyball or basketball, and also NBA or basketball of Americans is also available on the e-tournaments. Other than that, in sports you can see cricket, basketball, volleyball, baseball, foosball, softball, American rugby. There are the racing games involved as well, and other than that there are jet ski games. Also there are lots of options to choose from when it comes to the aviator games as well. In casino, like most of the site, it also offers blackjack tables and the roulette tables, both in Hindi as well as in English. But yes, in Hindi there are lots of options to choose from when it comes to blackjack handling or blackjack tables, or also the roulette tables are also on fire currently on RajaBet, along with lots of bonuses and offers to grab from. Easy withdrawals and deposits are available on RajaBet via UPI, bank transfer or NEFT. Just keep in mind that when you are making a deposit, the same segment or the same method has to be used in the withdrawal criteria as well. Like for an example, if you are using the UPI for the deposit method, then you have to use the same method in the withdrawal option as well as the UPI in the withdrawal as well. If you are using bank transfer in deposit, then you have to use the bank transfer withdrawal as well. Other than that, cryptocurrency and WhatsApp Pay is also available in the medium to transfer or deposit your amount as well. Lots of offers and cashbacks are given on daily basis to new users, and weekend offers are also going on. So don't forget to check their site RajaBet. Also the link for the site RajaBet is available in the description box and also in the pinned comment section. And if you want some more knowledge about these sites, about this betting site, then don't forget to join the Telegram group. The links will be in the description box. So that was my overall experience or my overall review on RajaBet site. I know it's a new app or new site, but believe me, one of the best sites current till date because of their fast and quick and polite responses on their ticket solution. Also, if you like the video, then don't forget to hit the like, share and subscribe button, and don't forget to press up the bell icon so when a video gets uploaded you get updated by it. So we'll meet you in the next video. Till then, keep betting.